Huh? Yes, sir.
Alright guys, so I got out of the shooting house earlier. I walked over to the next hill over. I heard a bird gobbling over there. I was just gonna get a good coordinates on him for in the morning. I just basically I just came this morning to locate birds, figure out where they're at, to come back. And as I was coming back, I had I got out of the shooting house, went to that hill, came back, and there was 3 strutters 10 yards right here beside my decoy. That's how it happens. That's how it normally works. But like I said, I didn't come to kill today, but actually I see the turkeys and they're working back this way now. And if they're dumb enough to come this way, I don't know. It's gonna be tough. I might have to use that trigger finger. But y'all stick with me. Like I said, I can see them on the wood line and they're working their way back this way. So we'll see what happens. I'm just blessed to be out here. God's blessed us, and we're very fortunate. So.
Alright guys, so just smoked number 2 for the season. We have had an unbelievable season this so far, guys. I'm shaking up to how unbelievable it's been. Look at this. This is what I was in. I was in Griffin's shooting house. I had this green patch here this morning. I had my decoy set up. I had a Jake, 2 Jakes and 1 longbeard come out here. I let them walk at daylight, and because I was hoping for my mom to kill one. She missed earlier this season, and we've been grinding to get her a bird. But guys, I'm gonna go out here and look. I'm gonna see what we got right here. This is an unbelievable turkey. This hunt, I can't. Thank you, Jesus. That's all I can say is thank you, Jesus. Guys, he's laying out here somewhere. That's about a 50, I'd say 50, 55 yard shot, somewhere right in there. Long shot. There he is, right there. Tell you what, guys, I am pumped. My phone's going crazy. Let me check it. Griffin said he's on the way. I texted him, I told him about it. He said, man, look right here, guys. Wow. That's unbelievable. He got a little wet. He's wet, but man. Guys, look at this bird. Look at that beard. That is a brush there. That is a brush. You hear me? He got little hooks on him. Beautiful fan. Tell you what, 20 gauge, 80 him up. That's a 51 yard shot right there, guys. Look, I see Griffin and them coming off the top of the hill. Here they come. They just pulled up. Whew. Guys, this is unbelievable. This is an unbelievable hunt right here. Most turkeys I've seen all year. Look at that. Thank you, Jesus. You can see the shooting house there. I'm gonna range it real quick. The rangefinder. Wow. 51 yards. 20 gauge. I'm gonna tell you guys, that gun right there means business. Yee! Hey man. Hey man, thanks for letting me borrow your shooting house. Huh? There he is, man. Check him out, man. What you think about him?
Yeah, very good, boy.
It's been a phenomenal year. I tell you what, this bird right here, he had a little wet beard on him out there, but he spreads on out, got a nice little paintbrush on him. Pretty thick bird. He ain't got much hooks, but I tell you what, still a blessing either way. That's a Yakanuki mud dog right there. Huh? Yes, sir.